Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back here on this Wednesday. Did you feel or see the freezing drizzle? This morning I was out filling gas and felt something on my arms. Happened to be that freezing drizzle, freezing mist in parts of the region. Right now in Fargo, we're still seeing just a little bit of that. Currently 19 degrees, overcast skies, feels like 9 with wind out of the northeast at 8 miles per hour. Meanwhile, in the Northern Valley, Grand Forks at 22. Radar is picking up on some perhaps some light snow coming down at this time. Wind is out of the north at 7 miles per hour, bringing that wind chill to 13 degrees. Let's talk visibility here for a minute. Visibility is at 4 miles in Fargo and Langdon, 2 miles in Grand Forks, 2.5 miles in Oaks, and as is typical, a little patch of lower visibility in northeastern North Dakota, 4 miles in Walhalla, 3 miles in Cavalier. This is due to that freezing mist and freezing fog that we're seeing in some areas. Temperatures are relatively mild, close to seasonable average. We're at 25 in Detroit Lake, so well above average in some of our Minnesota counties. 24 Bemidji, 28 in Wadena and Alexandria at this time. Meanwhile, 17 in Devils Lake and Jamestown, 16 in Oaks, one of the cooler spots. We've got some clouds lifting in from the south where we're seeing some fog development up in northeastern North Dakota. That's where we've got some clear skies for now. This is the very northern edge, the cloud cover of the Colorado low that is missing us to the south. Omaha, over the last several hours, has had a mixed bag of rain, freezing rain, wintry mix, and heavy bands of snow. Where you see the white, that's called bright banding, where radar is picking up on some heavy snow or some very wet snow, wet wintry mix. That continues heading into Sioux City at this time. It's all part of a big Colorado low. This is the cold side near the low pressure system just north, but there's a front extending from it, bringing heavy rain and even some severe weather down to the south. Here's what we can expect here at home. We're going to see maybe just a couple of flakes or flurries in our far southernmost counties as that Colorado low lifts a little bit further to the north. But the good news, primarily, it's going to miss us. Here's what we can expect by tomorrow morning. A couple of areas of fog, a bit of a northerly breeze starting to pick up, but temperatures are going to stay on the steady side overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning with the help of our thick cloud cover. So already waking up to teens and some low 20s. The breeze does pick up a little bit as that system exits to our south and east, so it's going to be a little on the wind chilly side. Temperatures tomorrow again staying fairly steady with the help of some thick cloud cover, so only warming a few degrees. Overall, very similar to what we've been seeing for today. But any flurries that we do see in the south, that's going to make roads slick again on top of our slick roads that we have now. And then we're going to turn a little bit chillier. Here's the snowfall potential in our neck of the woods. There may be some isolated areas, perhaps in the Sisseton Hills, that sees about 1 to 3 inches. But look down to the south. Nebraska getting the brunt of this storm system. Even northern Wisconsin could see some accumulations as well. Fairly steady temperatures tomorrow, but looking ahead to the next 7 days, temperatures cool Friday, but then we're warming back up at least a little bit into the 20s. And Alberta Clipper bringing a little light snow by Monday.
Yeah, the mid or 20s, mid 20 to 24, I'll take that any day.
Yeah, not too bad.
As long as there's really just maybe a flake or two. No real snow. That's fine with me, especially in January.
Noted.
Summer, thank you so much.